Splatter Gaming!
Wow, we did it almost at the same time.
Yeah, but...
Anyway, welcome back to Splatter Gaming.
Yeah,
We have here me and Justin.
Alright.
Justin and I. I don't know grammar.
We changed. Ben's doing the voice of Flux now because we realized he wasn't doing much. Alright.
Ah!
So we're back and we're gonna make that sawmill.
Sawmills.
I need to track it though.
Oh, the B. Oh, the B. Oh no, the bullshit SSSS.
Yeah, the BSSS.
The bullshit shit asses.
Oh, dude, look, I got a saw now.
Saws. Wait, no, shouldn't you be Flex since you're playing as him?
But I'm Juicebox.
But I want to be drunk. Fine. First you take papyrus from me, and now you do this shit.
Eh. Oh, I can cut these down now.
Oh, look at these cute little wombat.
I can get a pet wombat if I want.
Holy shit. I totally didn't know that from when I was watching you play earlier.
We're gonna name it Wompy.
Wompy!
No way!
Yeah. No, I want to name him something like
Yeah,
normal,
we're gonna name him something else because Wompy is my wombat in my world.
Let's name him Cornbread.
Cornbread?
No!
Yes!
No. Wait, Cornbread? Really?
Yeah, Cornbread. Let's name him Cornbread.
And then if we get another pet, let's name it...
Yeah, we can always get other pets. We just gotta get eggs.
Let's name the other one Carrot Cake.
Carrot Cake. Nice.
Yep. Have you ever had carrot cake?
Yeah.
It's amazing, man. Only time I'll like a vegetable.
Looks like you got everything you need, but your harvesting trips are starting to stray pretty far from your ship.
Are you drunk? And yeah, I'm getting tired of walking back all the time to build stuff. Is there any other way?
You forgot about the ship teleporter, didn't you?
Dude.
You can teleport to the ship from the map. Give it a go. I'll teleport with you.
No fucking shit. Teleportation buddies! Yeah.
No way.
Ooh! Yay! We got a square of land, like in Legend of Zelda. Ah! It's getting hard to see out here. And also, I think I lost a kidney.
Well, yeah, it's this thing called darkness.
Ah! Oh, you need some light so I don't fall into a horrible alien-filled pit with spikes and fucking Britney Spears.
Let me see. Boop, boop, boop. Scanning for ship debris.
Yas!
Oh, what is... One of these lamps from the ship landed somewhere nearby. I marked it. I marked its portable area. It's on your map. You can find it. Hit the map icon at the bottom left corner of your visor and see where the light source is, and look that means the body of yours lit. The joke is...
What's an icon?
The joke is that Juicebox is drunk because her name is Juicebox. And
It's not really a juice box, though.
yeah, that's just her name.
Alcoholic Anonymous.
Yeah. My name's Juicebox and I'm an alcoholic. Oh, wait. Oh, I gotta make the sawmill. Sawmill! What?
Fuck.
Ah!
Every time it teleports, I'm gonna make a scream of just... Oh, fuck yeah!
Oh, look at all that stuff I can make.
Except a lot of it's blacked out.
Yeah, but I can unlock.
Whoa! So many things to build! Time to rev up the oil sawhorns! That's a little... where did it go?
It's in your suit. Use build mode and hit the infinity symbol to access all the structures you've got stored in there. Then you can select the sawmill and put it wherever there's some sturdy flooring.
Okay, tutorial.
Yes, thank you, tutorial. Infinity symbol. Ba-bang.
Ba-boom. Ba-bang. Cha-ching. Ba-blam! Hey, Juicebox, I feel like we're being watched. Do you think who got the cootie is out here?
Undoubtedly, he probably thinks we exploded, which should buy us some prep time.
Are you drunk?
Yeah, Juicebox is always drunk.
Can I have some? I mean, I feel better with some armor, both for healing with the hookah And the snot.
Letting you start with a wooden chest plate. Protect that one kidney of yours. Oh, keep your eyes peeled
zero
for a
kidney.
cinema life according to Wikipedia. It's a try. Half goat, half plant, half creatures live here.
It's actually 0 kidneys since I teleported and lost another.
Yeah. Slowly
I am dying. I am bleeding to death.
But we're gonna go get this light because yeah, it's like
Yeah.
up here. We need light sources up here, and we're gonna go
Holy
find
shit.
it. We're gonna go find it. I bled.
Why are you bleeding?
I don't know.
Maybe you stepped on a sticker. Dude, I hate stickers.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, hello, light source. Oh, it's a crucifix from Jesus. Looks like a little island. I can't swim.
Build some flares and make a bridge.
I don't know why I can't swim,
Yeah.
but okay.
No, not map. No.
Bye.
Back.
No singing, Justin.
Share.
Sing, because we could get copyrighted if we're too good. This thing is bright. I'm gonna eat it. What if I want to whip what if I want to whip my saw out and chop down more log trees? You know, I'm totally not drunk.
Your
too.
torch goes into a special slot in your suit. It'll equip whenever it gets dark, so you don't need to worry about scary nighttime.
Scary nighttime dark best nightlight ever.
Sick.
I burped. Bless me. Oh, it smells like chicken because I ate chicken strips earlier.
Nice.
Oh, it smells like bad chicken though. Like it's been sitting out for 6 weeks.
Ugh.
Sorry to tell you that, viewers. This is fun. I don't know if I want to only do 3.
Yeah, I kind of want to do all of them.
Especially my new voice. I have something to do now.
Yeah, wait.
I'm a little drunk.
Yeah. I'm a little drunk, don't worry about him.
Juice box. Oh no, my nickname for you is Juicy.
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 Oh, I stepped on these little bugs and they're squishing.
Oh, I thought you were actually just like bleeding from stickers. Dude, my aunt has a backyard that's just filled with stickers, and it's like annoying to go back there.
What kind of stickers? Transformers?
Just like I'm stepping out of my like aunt's backyard, just.
No, you didn't get my joke. Like, you say stickers instead of like thorns. And like the sticky stickers that like you put on stuff.
Oh. I thought you meant there was like Transformers in my aunt's backyard.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Did that too? There's like Optimus Prime just hiding in the bushes.
And Bumblebee comes up with this radio voice and it's like.
Also,
Hey, cool.
guys watching, I might put a Twitter poll with a bunch of games lined up, and you vote which one you want.
Hashtag Twitter poll.
You vote which one you want to see Justin play and me have fun making cracking jokes.
Making cracking jokes on Hulk Hogan. Dude, sick, I got enough and now I can go home.
Holy shit, updating map.
My ribs! My ribs!
Jesus Christ, my eyes! I can't see. Lock chest. Lock chest. Robots in disguise. Log chance of transfusions.
Quit.
What if it said like log chest of transsexuals? By the power of wood, I am now protected! He-Man. I need to figure out how to stop those creatures from killing me. They're mightily aggressive. Wah, 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 wah.
I bet you can get all kinds of useful parts out of these hideous beasts.
Juicebox, we need to have a talk. I think you're an alcoholic. Fire up that analytic engine of yours and find out how to make something stabby with the pots we have.
Here! A proper shank for the properly delivered driver. Get it built. sawgrass sword.
Mm,
Sick.
I like the way he runs. Ah!
Yeah, I commented on that last episode.
I know, but I just like do the noise what you think he's making.
Ha 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 ha.
I think he's going ah! Running,
I need to go
making
find,
that noise.
I need to go find more sawgrass and more wood. Hey, more sawgrass.
Hey,
Hey, LMAO, bro.
oh gosh,
Wait,
you became my friends.
I
Hashtag too cool for school. I put that ironically on my photos, and there's like someone commented and went, "Yeah, man." I went, "No, I'm too cool for normal life."
Yeah, I'm too cool for.
Nothing.
Yeah.
My life is living hell. This is pretty cool.
Yeah,
what you're doing.
I like this.
Yeah, and I like this playthrough already.
Yeah, me too. I like the characters.
That we made up, like, juice.
Hey, I got a glorch.
Hey, I'm gonna glorch your mum.
Ew. Ah.
I feel like Flux is like Juicebox's very worried friend.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Like, I know we're cracking jokes and stuff, but are you okay? You didn't. Like, even when she like follows you, she's like kind of like wobbling, like, "Hey,
Yeah.
how you doing?"
I smell like a cauliflower.
Oh no. My gallbladder! Ow, ow.
Dude, I have a sword.
It's dangerous to go alone.
Sawgrass sword of toasting.
Ooh, toast. Oh, I could go for some toast right now. Taste my blade!
What does it taste like?
Celery, actually. Okay. We'll need a better station to make that comm device.
Yes, this looks like they have some good hides on them. Take some of their leathery skin bits and use the skinnery.
What? Sorry, I was doodling. Also, I could not understand your slurring. What did you say? Did you say something?
Just to feed some of those wombats and build us a skinnery flux. A skinnery flux? You need this. You'll need some new parts. Maybe from those grayish reeds near the water.
Juicebox, give me the bottle.
Yeah. Give me the whiskey. Alright, I think we need to make a house. I think we need to make our house.
Is that what the episode's gonna be called, or is this the episode ended already?
Well,
We've gone pretty.
whatever. This episode.
Couple minutes. Each episode is gonna be about 15 minutes long, right?
Alright, yeah, we'll start making the house right now, and then...
The next episode will be called A House. This episode is gonna be called Drunk.
Yeah.
Last
Sipping on
episode.
that juice box.
Oh,
wait, yeah, I need to go.
I can't wait to get cornbread.
Yeah, me too.
It's gonna be so fun.
I gotta go get a bunch of wood and sawgrass and stuff.
Ugh, wood.
Ugh, boys.
There's actually people like that at our school, Justin.
Yes, I know.
Boys, I can't even handle my ex-boyfriend. You know what he did? And I'm like, what?
He ate a chocolate bar without me, and I was like, what?
He took my pencil and didn't even ask. I'm like, I did that to mine.
Yeah.
Cool, bro.
Look at Flex's little nubby legs. Look at her legs.
Looks like scribble nuts.
Yeah, it does.
Oh no, you're gonna kill a cornbread.
No, I'm not.
Ooh.
Oh god, the cornbread's gonna kill me! Run away!
Run away from cornbread.
Oh god, no, that was not cool.
I'd love to see Juicebox at karaoke at a bar one night.
I was a juice box and I got hung out, and now I have 3 kids and they're on my back.
And like, Flex comes up and he's like, I'm going down in a burning wheel of fire. It goes down, down, down.
Hey, a new thing I can do. An old man statue.
Ew, an old man statue.
I love statues.
Or like he sings Sublime.
I ain't got no sangria. I ain't got no crystal ball.
Okay.
I'll eat $1 million.
Is that what he's?
No, he says I have $1 million.
I eat. Justin, we need to stop because we're singing this song too perfectly. We're gonna get copyrighted.
All right.
Oh,
This
you know.
is the end of the 2nd episode.
Wait.
I'm gonna work back.
My entire body that time, it just hurt.
Alright, this is the end of the 2nd episode. Next time.
Next time on Splatter Gaming, we're gonna make a house.
Gonna make a home sweet home. Home.
No!
See you then.